This is the MT5 indicator, how we can use it for support and resistance. It's very simple. We have the Nasdaq 100. We start with the 4-hour time frame. As we can see, there is a resistance right here. We have a support at 21,400 and the next one at 2,626. So right now we have two options. We can come all the way down to this area, then we start bouncing back. If we break below this one, we can fall all the way down to here, then we start going back up. So now we have two levels to watch, the 21,400. It's very important. So now I'm gonna go to the 1-hour time frame. This one right here was a verified resistance, retested twice. It means the price come down, then go back up like this. This weak resistance, it means we are coming down in a downtrend, then we go back up, then it bounced from a lower level right here. So that's a weak resistance. It's coming all the way down. The first level to watch here, 21,341. So if the price will come all the way here and we start seeing bouncing back, we can buy here and put the stop loss down here and target all the way back up here. What happens if the price will come here? Then you not know it's just bouncing back. So you just wait till it falls to one of these support levels, start bouncing back, then you take a buy in the right side, put the stop loss below the support level. Then you go back all the way up to target this level. It works in all time frame. That's M30. So right here, as you can see. If you go to the inputs, you're gonna find penalty of options right here. You can change colors of support and resistance. You can change the font. You can change the size. It has a lot of options right here you can change. It works in all asset and all time frame. So in silver, as you can see, there was a resistance right here. The price come to this support, it bounced back to this resistance, it's coming back down. So what you should do, you should wait to see this. If we come down all the way here, start from bouncing back, this will be a good buy with stop loss below here, and we're going back all the way up, and so on. So this will help you to improve your trading, have a very clear support to resistance levels. You know which one is verified, which one is proven, which one is untested, which one is weak, when to buy and when to sell, where to put your stop loss. I'm very sure you'll find our product in a great use for you and it will help you improve your trading. Thank you.